Jimenez hits the wall, and the ball is not cleared by Manchester United, and it's smashed home. Shouts of offside.
Jimenez's free kick goes into the wall. That might be the problem.
Offside?
Yeah, maybe offside.
Daman who bends across it. Šeško! Oh, he's hit the post, and the second chance sent. And that's a lovely ball in behind for Raul Jimenez. Harry Maguire getting back. The referee's given a penalty. Jimenez steps up, stutter step, stops his run up, starts his run up, stops his run up, and puts it into the top corner. Well, Manchester United have been pegged back by Fulham. Kevin, edge of the penalty area. Oh, it's an absolutely glorious finish from Kevin. Ahmad dinks it round the corner to Cunha. Cunha's driving towards the byline, and he gets there too. Mateus Cunha goes the long way round. Challenge comes in. Penalty given.
That last touch from Cunha just gives the defender enough.
Into the box, Casemiro! What a header from the Brisbane header from the edge of the 6-yard box. Manchester United 1, Fulham 0. That falls to Diogo Dalot again. Rolls the pass into Kobbie Mainoo. Mainoo to Casemiro. Casemiro gonna find Cunha. Cunha's effort, back of the net. Oh, it's absolutely brilliant, and the surfing Brazilian is back again.
That's an amazing finish, by the way.
Unbelievable finish. I don't think I gave it the credit that it deserved. Bruno Fernandes, and he's in behind, gets an early ball into the box. Šeško inside the area. Šeško at the Stretford end. Manchester United never die. Top corner, 3-2. Benjamin Šeško. Manchester United take 3 points.